Listen, I don't know what these things are, man, but they're scaring the hell out of me. Right outside my window. It's sick. Look at this guy. He's an emu or something. They're eating up my things. It's crazy. What does he want? I don't know what these things are pulling out, but listen to me. This stuff is right in front of my house. And across the road, as you can see, is more of them. It's crazy here. Noel, I believe in Florida. It's too sick. Look at this guy. He's nuts. He's nuts. He's looking at me too. I'm telling you, man, I'm scared that these stupid birds are going to come through my window. So now, I got to leave. I'll talk to you later. Don't want nothing to do with nobody. Gotta go. Listen to me. This is how sick it is. Because here's my bedroom window. Looking outside. Look at this thing. It's crazy. What do you guys... I never saw these things before. It's crazy out here. Look at this guy. Eating up my mulch. Florida. Can't handle it. It's too sick.